Previously, if you wanted to place a pledge request, you had to do it separately for each instrument. This made it quite inconvenient if you wanted to pledge multiple instruments. Also, after placing the pledge request, you had to wait for it to be processed either at 2 pm or 5 pm depending on when you placed the pledge request. Then you had to verify it on the CDSL website. Now we've made it much easier. You can now easily pledge multiple instruments at once and verify it immediately on the CDSL website. To pledge instruments under the new flow, log into console.zerodha.com, click on Portfolio and then Holdings, click on Pledge Holdings, select the instruments you want to pledge and click on Continue, agree to the terms of pledging and then click on Submit. You will now be taken to the CDSL website to verify the pledge request. Enter the OTP received and click on Verify. Once everything is done, the margins against the pledge request will be credited to your account on the next trading day. Please note that you can pledge securities only from 7 am to 5 pm on trading days. However, there are no restrictions for unpledging and it can be done anytime. If you have any questions related to the new pledging flow, please leave a comment below.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.